Hi friends, welcome on my channel. So today I'm going to write a 13 program. The program name is Circle. Okay, so this is the program name and this is a 13 program. That's why I mentioned it. Okay, so this program also based on the formula, mathematics formula. So as we know, area of a circle formula is pi r square. Okay, so pi value is 3.14 and r value I will take up from the user. So based on the formula, I will write a program. So now I'm going to write a program. So first I will write a scanner class. Scanner equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay. Now what I will do, I will write a text message. Okay. System dot out dot println. Okay. So enter the value of circle radius. Okay. Circle radius. Okay. Now what I will do, I will take a variable. Variable will be double type, like because the sum will come in a decimal. That's why I will take a variable in a double type. Okay. So variable name I will give a will give a as a r. R is nothing. This is the radius. Okay. Scanner dot next double. Okay, now what I will do, I will take another variable because I want to store whatever sum will come, that I want to store in the variable. Okay, so that variable I will also take a double type. So this variable name will be area. Area equal to pi value is 3.14 into r into r. Okay. So now what I will do, I will print this output. Okay, whatever output will come, that I want to print. Okay, so area of a circle is, now I will save this, and first I will write the area. Okay, now I will save it, and then I will. Okay, so it will take a few minutes, a few seconds for execution. So once the execution is completed, then they will ask input. So we have to provide some input. Then they will calculate in the background, and it will show the output. Okay. So now see, uh, now program execution only. So we have to wait, like we can wait a few seconds. Okay, now program is successfully run. Okay, now as a user I will give a 5.0 because this is a double type of variable, that's why. Okay, so now once click enter, you can see this is the area of a circle value. Okay, so now again I will run this program, and in this time I will provide a different type of or input. Okay, so we can see output what which like output will come or not. So now I will give a 10.0. So see, so area of a circle is 314.0. So this is the output of area circle. Thank you for watching. If you guys didn't watch our previous video, so please humble, you can watch that videos and practice. It will better, and you can build your logic, because whenever you are going to write a new program, so it will help for you, and it will help build the logic. You can get easily, and suddenly you can get a logic for the program. Okay, whatever you depend on the program, you can get easily logic. Okay, so do practice daily, and watch videos on my channel. There is a llama, 40 plus videos available, so you can watch. Okay, thank you, thank you guys.